and welcome to Gierok Farms. It's a beautiful April day. We've got this wood we need to get processed and piled up and get it off of our hay fields here because it's spring now. These are some trees that died from oak wilt, some red oak. So we're gonna process those today. It's like Hazel's even up here to help today. She found a shady spot. Mason's here helping George. So that's the patch of woods that those dead trees were in, the red oaks that died from the oak wilt. And George cut those off last fall and then piled up the brush. And then yesterday he was able to burn down the brush that was left. There wasn't very much, just kind of from the tops of the trees. And he wanted to get that off the fields. You can see in the lower left-hand corner where there's just some ash that's left from the piles he burnt yesterday. So we're gonna get back to processing the wood and see how the guys are doing with that. Looks like Hazel's working like a dog over there.
So right now we're gonna pick up all these bark and these little bitty pieces. We're just gonna make a small pile here, maybe to burn on a wetter day because it's still spring. But this was all dead trees, oak wilt. So some of that brown inside those trees, that's just rotting trees. There was one big chunk I thought could have maybe made a saw log, but it had kind of a sore spot all the way through it. But this is like the heart of the trees mostly. So where I cut all this off, all the small branches I took home here a couple months back in a trailer for we just burnt that up right away. It gets so tedious with all that little stuff. There's not a lot of heat in it, but you got to pick it all up anyway, so if it's any kind of size at all. And then this stuff here, I mean, some of the blocks, we must have got about 8-10 chunks out of them in that. So this may be not much more than half, maybe not even, of what we use in the winter. It's always kind of hard to say. It's been good with Mason helping out. It really clips along. We're more efficient with the Bobcat, the splitter and that.
And Aaron has gone to work today, and Owen is at school today, because I know sometimes you people ask, where is everybody?
Well, yeah, there's always other stuff. So we just try to make it work. So, but
George is the primary worker on the farm.
I'm here all the time.
Yes.
Except if you don't see me here, I'm probably doing something with the cattle while there's some other action going on. I rarely leave in the daylight. Typically what I do is, you know, we cut that stuff, we drag it out with the winch, someplace along the edge of the wood line, we make a big pile like this. But in this case, it's so steep and crooked, and I just felt we're just going to put it smack dab in the middle of a field. This is just a grass field. We make first crop hay here. This is kind of the far top of what we call Suicide Hill, so we'll be making one crop of hay here, and we'll just have to maneuver around this pile. So this summer you'll probably see it. Yeah, we don't plant corn or anything in this part of our farm because of how steep it is, but it's a good feeling. I mean, a little bit of energy getting this wood made, you know, with the Bobcat and the chainsaws and all that, but it doesn't really matter. We still got to do something with it. Still got, you know, these trees tip over in the fields and stuff like that if you don't keep doing something with it. And it's all renewable, and there's a lot of heat in here for the house, so we're good. So we're gonna clean up, and thanks for watching, and if you got any questions, just leave them in there. Eventually we'll just answer them.
Thanks for watching us here at Gierok Farms as we process some firewood. Make sure that you like the video and share it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.